It's like super dark right now, super late. We're like around downtown Monterey, around Alvarado Street, where the Sotheby's booth is, you know, where they sold the 20 million McLaren F1 for 18 million and like 12% commission. So I was trying to find this other McLaren F1. It's a white one, and I think we found it. So we're gonna head over there right now. There it is. Yeah, McLaren F1. Ooh, in the flesh, dude. I've been trying to look for this car forever, and I finally found it. It looks way better in person. Just the other night, it got a ticket, and there was like a huge crowd around it too when that happened. Looking super, super cool. This is actually the first McLaren F1 I've seen like on the actual road. There was a silver one over there at Sotheby's, but that was like on a stand. Holy crap. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna stay here long enough to see it leave. I mean, the owner's probably sleeping already. Like, to be honest, as someone who works like in the hypercar industry, when I see this, I get super excited. But lately, when I've been seeing Paganis, it's because I've been seeing them way too much. I haven't been really getting too excited. But oh man, like when you don't see a car too often, that's just when my heart flutters. Look at that, in the flesh, man. In the flesh. So my friend just told me about another location. We're about to head to it. So we're gonna cut it short with this thing and head over there. It's like 5 minutes away, and I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. So my friend just gave me a huge tip saying there's 7 Paganis and 3 Koenigseggs at this location, and no one else is here. BC, regular coupe, Roadster, RS, if this thing can focus, RS 458, Egg, Big Bird, and 1 slow CRX is right there. Yeah, we're here, everybody. There's no one here because no one knows about it. So I'm just have to say thank you, Mike, for telling me where you guys are. Yeah. Yes. Baller. Super baller. There we go. There's the rest of the gang. They're all about to leave. Man, I caught these earlier at Caramel Valley Ranch, and then catching them again like at just some like random location just feels so cool. Like that's the best part about car spotting. It's like just randomly going. Well, it wasn't random because Mike did tell me where they were, but just like when you go around and just spot like random cars, that's like the best feeling ever whenever you see something. That's such a weird thing about the Huayra. It's like when you try to turn on the lights, the bottom DRLs go off. So you can't have both at the same time, I guess. There we go. You see? Vietnam. There it goes. And last but not least is the egg, the Phoenix. Alright, that's the end of today's episode. Starting with the McLaren F1 and then we're ending with these guys. The Phoenix is finally leaving. Got Big Daddy Mike, there you go. And we got this car that's just speeding down here. Oh, yep, he's gonna block the way. This guy's Uber just popped in. It's like, is that a Koenigsegg? It's like, you guys can get in the car, but I need to see this car. It's hilarious. Oh yeah, there it is. Looking fresh AF, bro. Alright, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.